Hello and a very happy new year. It's a nippy morning here in Melbourne, but this will be our last morning in Melbourne. Fireworks are done and dusted. Now it's time to go to Sydney for the fifth and final test of the series. Australia 2-1 ahead, all to play for India. A lot of pride at stake. Whether they'll be able to retain the Border Gavaskar trophy or not. Let's see, still a long time for that. We have a flight to catch. Let's get going. The airline is right behind me. Seconds and the luggage has been dropped. We should have ample time now. I'm more calculative this time around after what had happened in Brisbane. Because if you don't remember, just watch the Brisbane vlog where I reached 1 minute before the check-in baggage drop closed. But this time we had plenty of time. We are in time for the security. We are heading towards the security gates. Should be a short and sweet flight before we get to the Sydney Cricket Ground and the action gets underway for each one of you watching from home and wherever you are. Now, you all must be wondering, आप सब सोच रहे हो यार ये security scanning की वीडियो क्यों बना रहा था? Because this was something which I haven't seen before, and this is an appreciation post for the Melbourne airport. I did not have to remove anything from my baggage, and why I say I did not, because I had a lot of wires, microphones, AirPods, स्पीकर्स, जो भी चाहिए यार आप सबके लिए ब्रिलियंट व्लॉग्स बनाने के लिए, वीडियोस बनाने के लिए, कुछ नहीं निकाला। अटैची उठाया हमारा, डाला उन्होंने अंदर, लैपटॉप तक नहीं निकलवाया। वरना हर जगह बोलते हैं ना, कीप योर लैपटॉप आउटसाइड, कीप योर दिस सेपरेट, दैट सेपरेट, सेपरेट ट्रे, दैट ट्रे, वैट ट्रे। 5 सेकंड के अंदर मैडम जो खड़ी हुई थी उन्होंने हैप्पी न्यू ईयर बोला यू आर गुड टू गो। सो वी आर गुड टू गो। So now getting to the Melbourne airport, I think it's very well connected. They have a sky bus, you have a very well connected road, rail and tram network. So you can work out your connections, you can get here. If you come via the combination of a public transport, it will cost you around $20-30 AUD to come here. But in case you take a cab, which I did because it was very early and we were seeing the fireworks, I'll show you some videos there. And since we were seeing the fireworks, we got a bit late, so we had to take the cab. Cab would be around 60 to 70 AUD, but it will take you only 30-35 minutes from most parts of the city. So that is pretty much it, and I think it's not that steep considering how cabs and all are very expensive here. और बहुत खाने पीने का ऑप्शन यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी है ही यार, जितना मैं दिखा गया आपको अभी। कॉफी शॉप्स, बर्गर जॉइंट्स, लाउंजेस, एवरीथिंग इज हियर। भूख लगी है तो जल्दी आ जाओ, नहीं लगी तो पहले आ जाओ। मेरा फ्लाइट 9:30 का था, मैं 8:30 एयरपोर्ट पहुंचा, और जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया 30 सेकंड, 5 सेकंड, 35 सेकंड के अंदर अंदर अपन अंदर है, तैयार है और निकल रहे हैं। सो जुड़े रहिए, देखते रहिए, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट स्टॉप सिडनी बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स। So this is a domestic terminal. This is Terminal 1 of the Melbourne airport. And थोड़ा सा आप जिसको कहोगे, इतने ऑप्शंस नहीं है यार, थोड़ा सा पुराने तरीके का लुक है, उतना फैंसी प्लश फीलिंग नहीं आएगा आपको। अपने को क्या करना है यार, अपने को फ्लाइट लेना है और चले जाना है, खाने का भी टाइम नहीं है, खाना भी फ्लाइट में खाएंगे। सो थोड़े से विजुअल्स आपको दिखा देते, पीछे देख सकते हैं अगर, तो वो रनवे है इसके। दीज आर द डिफरेंट गेट्स, यू हैव टू गो टू गेट नंबर 9। Dark clouds as we leave Melbourne for Sydney. First flight of 2025. First flight for Times of India Sports. First stop will be the Sydney Cricket Ground. A lot is lined up for today, and we'll keep bringing you all the action from ground zero when we land. Welcome from Sydney. Yes, the venue for the last test. We'll get our stuff and get the preparations underway for what is going to be the end of a cracking series. Yes, the preps will be underway very soon. The Indian team has a rest day today. They will not be training. There are some media opportunities with the Australian team. So we're going there. We'll attend that. We'll keep uploading everything which we get on the YouTube channel of TOS Sports. So you keep watching, like, share, subscribe, leaving you with some more visuals of the airport. This time it's not the Melbourne airport. It's the Sydney airport. It's deserted. People are chilling, but it's the new year. So happy new year and keep watching TOS Sports. that is it. And it's very sunny. It's bright and sunny, alright? It's hot. Couple of train rides from the airport done. We just got off here at Moor Park, and right in front of me, if you can see, is the Sydney Cricket Ground. That's our first stop here in Sydney, and why not? Direct from the flight to the airport to the ground. This is where we are going to be for the rest of the week. Sydney Cricket Ground, iconic Sydney Cricket Ground. Showing you just a little bit of visuals because our stadium tour will be coming up very soon. So you keep watching TOI Sports. We've reached Sydney. We're at the Sydney Cricket Ground, and action will begin in a couple of days' time. So you keep watching.